We are 10 days away from Thanksgiving, and Central Iowa health officials are putting out a warning about the spread of an infectious illness.
The Polk County Health Department says they're keeping a close eye on whooping cough cases. It's part of a nationwide trend. KCCI's Ophelia Jacobson joins us now to explain why officials say there is cause for concern. Ophelia.
Hey, Ben and Stacy, the Polk County Health Department says they're seeing an increase in the number of whooping cough cases here in the county. They say that more than half of the cases they've seen since January 1st are from the last 3 months.
I think we should definitely be on the lookout when we have case numbers like this.
Addie Olson with the Polk County Health Department says they're keeping a close eye on the number of pertussis or whooping cough cases. She says the county has seen 57 cases so far this year. 37 of them have popped up since September, 21 in the last 2 weeks.
We really want to make sure that we're letting people know that it is out in the community and to do your best to take preventative measures, get vaccinated, and stay safe.
Whooping cough is a respiratory illness. It's most common in kids.
Nancy Wild is the manager of infection prevention at Unity Point. She says you should be on the lookout for symptoms like a runny nose, low-grade fever, and a cough.
With whooping cough, though, the cough tends to be progressive, gets more severe, and it lasts a lot longer.
Wild says no one has been admitted to their hospital for the contagious bacterial infection recently, but she says they are aware of an increase in cases.
It's not unusual for us to see little increases in cases in pertussis. It happens quite frequently.
Nationwide, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says they're seeing a spike too. The CDC says there are more than 5 times as many cases reported so far this year than there were at this time last year. Wild says the best thing you can do is get vaccinated.
There's 2 different vaccines that are available for whooping cough, so depending on the age range that you're at, they would recommend one of those 2 vaccines.
And the CDC says the United States is trending towards those pre-pandemic levels. Health officials say that's because during the pandemic, when people were masking and practicing social distancing, all of those measures helped mitigate the spread of COVID-19 and also the spread of other respiratory illnesses like whooping cough. And now that that's all gone away, health officials say that's why those case numbers are back up again. Live in Des Moines, Ophelia Jacobson, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Yeah, just that time of year we have to be on the lookout for these types of illnesses. Ophelia, thank you.